Hi. So I built a program based off of a video that Numberphile did about illegal numbers. And basically what they spoke of with these illegal numbers were that people would grab these numbers, these encryption keys from, say, DVDs, media, hacking into things, just stuff that would help with piracy. So what would happen is these people would get sued. They get sued for transporting these numbers, these encryption keys, around. So what these people did is they decided to get a little smart. They decided to take these encryption keys and convert them to hexadecimal format. And with hexadecimal format, you can convert, not even convert, hexadecimal format can represent color. So they take these hexadecimal values and they translate it to color. So I built the program based off of this idea, that you can pass any name into it or any bit of data into it and it will convert it into an image. So here's a program. Now I'll minimize Visual Studio here and I'll reveal their image that Numberphile did. So here's the image that Numberphile did. Here's their little trademarked image that they've made for their name Numberphile. And so let's do this side by side here. I'm going to type in a few things in here and I'm going to trademark these as well. So here's my name, or my name from one of my YouTube channels. I could shorten that. Although I kind of like the longer the string is, the more exciting it is, I've noticed. Like if I put in like a GUID, put a GUID in there, you get this huge mirage of colors. But no matter what you put in here, you get a different image representation. And if I type in Numberphile, oh, I spelled one thing wrong. But if I enter Numberphile and I click create, lo and behold, I get the exact same colors that they have in their image representation here. And there's no surprise that it wouldn't be the same. Because basically what I'm doing is I'm doing exactly what they did. They took Numberphile, their name, in all uppercase, they converted it to numbers, and they converted those numbers into hexadecimal format, which then translates to this. And just like what they did and what others have done, there will be a few extra characters left, so you add this plus whatever here. So yeah, I figured I'd build a program based off of what they explained. And in the future, I'll probably release this, but I want to work on it a little more. Because wouldn't it be cool if this program could take any an image that someone else has created and read it? And what I mean by read it is, someone else would post an image like this, then you could open up that image with this program. And what this program would do is it would get the hexadecimal values from each color, then get this extra bit here, and then you get this, you get the hexadecimal representation here, you get the number representation, and you get back the string representation, which is what you can actually read. So I figured I'd make a program based off of what Numberphile spoke of. It's actually something pretty cool to work on. So yeah.